Viewers, subscribe my channel, press bell button. If you like this video, give like, share it and give comments. History first lesson, third term, sixth standard, the Sangam age. This is part 3. We are going to see about it. Now another source is literary sources. That is written sources or written books or written songs or poems. This is called as literary sources. Like example is தொல்காப்பியம், எட்டுத்தொகை, பத்துப்பாட்டு, பதினெண்கீழ்க்கணக்கு, சிலப்பதிகாரம், மணிமேகலை, etc. These are the written sources or literary sources. Now foreign notice. It means travelers notice. Travelers. It means the people from other countries travel to India. That people collected the notes about the rulers, administration, etc. This is called as foreign notice. Example for foreign notices are Peripulus, Plinius, Ptolemies, Megasthenes, etc. These people are the foreign travelers. They collected notes of the rulers. We'll see about Moovendars. Moovendars, it means three great kings. The word Vendar was used to refer to the three dynasties, namely Chera, Chola, Pandyas. Now Cheras. Cheras ruled over the central and north Travancore, Cochin, South Malabar, in Kerala and Kongu region in Tamil Nadu. These are the territories were ruled by the Cheras. The Paditru Pattu is the name of the song, provides information about the Chera kings. Particularly, the Chera king Chengutuvan went to capture the part of North India. So when he went to the North India, he brought the stones from the Himalayas for making of idols of Kannagi. That is statue of Kannagi. It is emphasized in the Paditru Pattu song. Familiar Chera rulers like Udayan Cheraladan, Imayavarman Neduncheraladan, Cheran Chenguttavan and Cheral Irumbarai were the name of the famous rulers in the Cheras dynasties. Cholas. The Chola kingdom of Sangam period extended up to Tirupati. The Kaveri Delta region is the central part of the kingdom. It is known as Chola Mandalam. Kaveri Delta area is known as Chola Mandalam. Karigala Valavan or Karigalan was the most famous king of the Chola kings. He defeated Cheras, Pandyas and 11 Velir chieftains. He converted forest into cultivable lands. Karigalan built Kallanai across the Kaveri river to develop agriculture. Port Puhar attracted merchants from the other parts of the Indian Ocean. Pattinapalai, Padinenkiizhkanakku gives important information of the trading activities of the Karigalan. Kallanai. It was constructed by Karigala Cholan to divert the water throughout the delta regions for irrigations. Kallanai irrigated an area about 69,000 acres of land. Then famous Chola rulers are Ilan Chetsenni, Karigala Valavan, Killi Valavan, Perunar Killi, etc. About Pandyas. Pandyas ruled southern part of Tamil Nadu. They patronized or encouraged the Tamil poets and scholars. Among them, Neduncheliyan was the most famous king and also was a most popular warrior. He defeated the Cheras Cholas and Velith chieftains at Talayalankanam. Pandya country was well known for pearl hunting. Pandya kings issued many coins, particularly it contained elephant on one side and fish on another side. Prominent Pandya rulers or famous Pandya rulers are Nediyon, Nanmaran, Mudukudumi, Peruvazhi and Neduncheliyan. These are the famous rulers in the Pandya's kingdoms.